Nervous system. The nervous system consisting of three parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and sympathetic nervous system. Central nervous system. Central nervous system lies within the ventral hemothalamic channel and consists of a nerve ring, a ventral cord, and a terminal ganglionic mass. Brain is rather smaller and segmental ganglion. Anterior nerve ring. It includes a small dorsal brain formed of a pair of fused cerebral or suprapharyngeal ganglia, situated dorsally above the anterior part of pharynx, behind the median dorsal jaw in the fifth segment. It is connected by a pair of short and stout lateral peripharyngeal connectives, one on either side of pharynx, with a ventral subpharyngeal ganglionic mass situated beneath of pharynx in fifth segment. Cerebral ganglion and subpharyngeal ganglionic mass represent the ganglia of first five segment. Ventral nerve cord. Ventral nerve cord arises from the posterior end of subpharyngeal ganglionic mass and run backwards along the midventral line from 6th to 26th segment. Although it appears single, it is really double. It carries at wide intervals 21 well-formed ganglia, each located in the first annulus of its own segment. Nerve cord is made up of nerve cells and their nerve fibers. Nerve cells are confined to ganglia where they surround the nerve fibers. The entire nerve cord is covered with a protective sheath, the neurilemma, terminal ganglionic mass. The ventral nerve cord ends in a large ovoid terminal ganglionic mass, situated within the posterior sucker. It is formed by the fusion of 7 pairs of embryonic ganglia of the last 7 segments that constitute the posterior sucker. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of paired nerves arising from ganglia of central nervous system. A pair of a small optic nerve arising anteriorly from brain or cerebral ganglia and runs forward to supply the first pair of eyes as well as prostomium and roof of buccal chamber. 4 pairs of optic nerves arise laterally from subpharyngeal ganglionic mass and supply the second, third, fourth and fifth pairs of eyes. Some nerves arise ventrally from the ganglionic mass and supply the floor of buccal cavity, muscle of body wall, and segmental receptor organs of anterior 5 segments. The ganglion of ventral nerve cord gives off 2 pairs of nerves, the anterior laterals and posterior laterals. Anterior laterals arising anteriorly from ganglion. They are tough nerves and branch to supply the nephridium vesicle, vas deferens, muscle of body wall, ventral receptors, and 2 outer dorsal receptor of their own site. Posterior laterals arising from the posterior part of ganglion. They are also stout nerves which branch to supply the viscera, dorsal body wall, rest of dorsal receptors, and testis 6 of their own site. Terminal ganglionic mass send off several nerves supplying the receptor organs and other structures found in the posterior sucker. Autonomous nervous system or sympathetic nervous system. It is consist of an extensive nerve plexus lying beneath of epidermis with